Hi friends, I am your Vidyadhar. Today I would like to tell the past story of Hiranyaka from Panchatantra. Past story of Hiranyaka. Hiranyaka told his past story to his friends. When I am in the city, I used to live in a narrow pit in Kaultri. Daily, I used to enter into the houses nearby and steal gold, diamonds with many mouth and kept as secret in the narrow pit where I used to live. Even the food stolen by me is also kept there. A lot of valuables were with me. I inclined to steal the money of others. In the same chowdhury, there is a beggar by name Chudakarna. I used to steal his food. Whenever he saved some food for the other day, even he tried to change me. I have not changed my mind. The day another beggar by name Sudhakara came to the same chowdhury, I tried to steal his food also. Then looking at me, said the Chudakarna, "This rat is very fat. There is some reason behind it." To the words of Sudhakara, "For everything you are suspicious. There is no reason for everything," replied Sudhakarna. "Yes, there will be," said Sudhakara. "For every deed there will be reason. I will tell you a story. Please listen. Then you will agree," and began a story. Story of unholy gingerly seeds. In a village there lived a Brahmin called Sankaraya. He decided to organize ceremony for his dead father and asked his wife to make food with gingerly seeds. His wife gathered the gingerly seeds, fresh them and sprinkled outside the house in the sunshine. A hen spoiled some seeds. When seeing in Sankaraya asked his wife to take them to the neighbor and exchange them for new seeds, as hence spoiled seeds are not fit for the ceremonial function. As told by her husband, she took them to her neighbor's house too and told her that there are fresh gingerly seeds. Can you please exchange them for new gingerly seeds, as she is not needed them now? The neighbor of the house also heard the words and asked his wife to get into the house and said, "Anyone wanted to exchange for raw seeds for the fresh ones, there must be secret in it. Please tell her that there is no seeds," and sent her away. She did the same. The second beggar, after telling the above story, said, "For any deed there is a meaning in it. We will follow the rat." Then they followed me and trashed the pit there where I am living and theft all the valuable things which I accumulate for many days. When I again reached them, the theft for food, "This will not change its mind," murmured and throws a stick on me. If it hurts me, I would have been dead. Fortune saved me. Then I decided that it is not safe to live there and came out of this forest where made friendship with you. This is all my fortune." Hearing the story of Hiranyaka, Mandara said, "Mystery never succeed. You have to satisfy with what you receive. If mystery exceeds, we too receive the fate of the jackal." The fate of the jackal. Who is the jackal? What is the story? Asked Laghupatanka. Story of the greedy jackal. Mandara begins the story of the greedy jackal. In a forest, a hunter killed a deer and has been taken by his shoulders. Then they walked slowly. When he was walking, a snake came under his foot. For the pressure of the foot, it died. Meanwhile, the snake bite him immediately. The hunter is also dead and fell on the ground. So the dead deer, snake and the hunter fell on the same place. At the same time, a jackal in the search of food came on that way and saw the scene of the three flat dead. It becomes joyful. "Oh, whose face I have seen this morning. I came to possess deer, snake, and a man at a single time. This food is sufficient for many days. There is no doubt that for some days I have no need to search for food. The fortune is my own. There is no parallel for this, said to itself and walked around a while happily. Then hunger came into her memory, thinking while which of those three to eat first. And it is not interested to eat anyone in the three and think herself aloud and said to herself, for this I will eat something. Tomorrow morning I will start with the snake. It will be for 2 days, then the deer for 10 days, and the man for a month. And thinking it will be for thinking the same, it searched for food around for a small animal. There is a bow near the dead hunter. The thread of the bow is made up of an animal nerve. So thinking, I will feed and satisfy with this nerve for the day. And he got there, cut the nerve of the bow with its teeth. So immediately the nerve got cut off the wooden stake, and bow like an arrow entered into the jackal's heart, and the jackal fell dead on the spot. So friend, it is better to gain money, but keeping secret is not good. You might have understand how dangerous it is, said Mandara. For those words, Hiranyaka agreed and said, I am fortunate to get a friend like you, of so intellect like this. Those three became friends and lived there peacefully without leaving one another. Even though everyone gets their own food, they meet together and a deer with fear approached them. Then they asked the deer the reason behind its fear. Then the deer named Chitranga. Some hunter is running behind me to capture. I reached here without knowing of where to go. Then Mandara scotched and said, do not fear. One can come here. You please be patient. Meanwhile, one fine day, Chitranga went in search of food and did not return in time. Laghupatanka, seeing some danger flying over the forest and Chitranga captive, asked, Chitranga, how you have been trapped in this net, with a sorrow face. Dear friend, I will tell you the story later. Please get Hiranyaka and quickly. He can cut the threads of the net and release me, told Chitaranga nervously. Laghupatanka took his friend Hiranyaka to the place. Hiranyaka cut off the threads of the net with his teeth. Laghupatanka left flying, and the other two were walking slowly. Chitaranga, you are so intellect. How you have been trapped in the net, and who are you, and why did you came to us, where you lived before coming to us, asked Hiranyaka. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel Skill Study, and last but not the least, please click the bell icon. Friends, I have given the links of the first, second and the third videos in the description. Please, if you did not see those videos, please see.